You know that feeling. Dinner prep is going to take another 30 minutes.
And you just know all that chopping is going to make a mess on the counter.
Well, we found a way to get that 30 minutes of prep work down to about 10.
Look at this. One press dices a whole tomato right into the container. Swap the blade, and you can shred a carrot just as fast. Zero mess. It also makes those perfect, uniform slices for salads or even the waffle cuts for potatoes that are so tricky to get right by hand.
This one device replaces 7 separate tools. That's right, 7. You can clear out the mandoline, the box grater, all of it.
The blades are made from 420J2 stainless steel, so they stay sharp enough for hard carrots, but they won't crush a soft tomato.
But what makes this one better are the details. The lid helps with onion fumes, a silicone base grips the counter, and it includes a hand guard to keep your fingers safe.
The link to get this is in the description. We'll send you straight to it. But here are 2 things we really didn't expect to find. This chopper comes with an egg separator and a dedicated garlic grinding blade.
That garlic blade makes a paste in seconds, and your hands stay completely clean.
And seriously, a veggie chopper that also separates eggs, that's a function you just don't find in other sets, especially at this price.
The whole workflow is just smarter. You chop right into the container, rinse with the drain basket, then just snap on the lid and store it.
And users point this out, when you push down on a hard carrot, this unit doesn't slide. That silicone base is no joke.
So this isn't just a chopper, it's a complete prep station. It saves you time and gives you back your counter space.
The link to get this is in the description. We'll send you straight to it.